Crown Manufacturing Company Limited from Taiwan.
This recognition means a lot to Mr. Zhuang, our president, and the company. We strive to provide innovative and efficient solutions to our customers' needs. And this recognition is a validation that we are on the right tracks. Early in Mr. Zhuang's career, who identified a gap in the market for specialized machinery that could improve production, efficiency, and quality. So, Mr. Zhuang started Crown Machinery with a team of skilled people. In the beginning, we faced challenges, but with passion, hard work, we earned the success we have today. Thank you, Enterprise Asia.